I'll take it.
You getting in the focus? I got next.
What is he doing?
I can't see the T, so just tell me when to go.
Dude.
Who the fuck is this guy in the ST? Hang on.
Alright.
Alright, I'm ready.
3.
Who's in the STN?
Yeah.
Fuck. Hang on. This motherfucker is fucking with me.
No, you can't do it.
Who's Ron Willard?
I'll let him go. Straight to hell.
Are you in the Lamborghini, Zach? We can race on this track together. And he can count us down until that dude stops fucking around.
How'd I
Dickhead.
get him out of his car?
I don't care if I'm unemployed, living off welfare checks. Fuck off, dude.
Ow.
Dude, let's go over Zach and help him out.
Dude, how do I get killed out of everybody again? Oh.
What did you just say? No, I'm talking to the dude that's hitting us. Yeah.
Whoops. Sorry.
I can't hear.
Get out of here. Your bullshit. You're the one starting it. Hey, bud. Back off the track. Dude, he's talking if y'all get close to him. You gotta get close to him.
What's he saying?
Hey, back off the track, quit fucking around.
Dude, you better be lucky I can't pull out
Back
the
up.
cat on him.
Back up, bud. Well, then leave the track. I don't know what the hell to tell you. But you're running into it.
Wait, what did he say? I heard him for a second.
He said, he was telling you to quit the bullshit. And I was like, you were the one that came up to him and hit him.
Voice chat enabled, and then
Go to those voice chat settings and turn on the voice chat proximity and like turn on 15.
ticked off. He's the one doing it.
Voice chat settings. Enable voice
we
chat.
trying to race.
Wait, where? In the GTA settings? Oh wait, never mind.
It's. Alright, we better hurry up, dude. They're gonna get ticked off. Come on. No, like, there's people waiting. Get the fuck out of here.
Wait, is it in miscellaneous settings?
Yeah,
or...
how do you turn it on?
No,
I
never
can't
mind.
hear nobody.
I'm stupid.
Voice chat in the main menu. Oh my god. No, I'm in the yellow car. That's my friend in the Lamborghini.
Yeah.
He's back. He's
It
just
says
waiting
listen.
for you to get out of the way.
You have to hold a button?
Where do you see this at?
Oh my. So are y'all in the main menu?
Yeah.
Where do you see it?
Okay, go to voice chat settings, right?
Yeah.
You said main menu. There's only one.
Is it
main menu
enabled?
for GTA.
Okay, does it show current speaker?
Yeah.
F1. Oh, voice
Listen.
chat settings.
Mine says
enable
show
voice
current
chat.
speaker.
Yeah, show current speakers, but it should say.
Yeah.
Zach, you're in the wrong
Settings.
damn thing. I don't know
Is
what
it
you're
on
in.
global or what?
Go to the menu for the vehicles
I'm
and
not
stuff.
even over there, dummy.
No, go to voice chat
I'm not
settings.
in the middle. I
Zach.
died and I had to spawn back.
These dudes are waiting. We need to hurry the hell up.
And I'm not even in
Show
the lane,
current
but
speaker.
I'm coming back. What is it on? Voice chat
Yeah.
proximity global.
Zach,
15
they said let
meters?
them race. You're right in the middle, but anyways, Oh, so you're like dead in your Lamborghini.
So enable voice chats on, show current speakers on.
Gosh dang it. What are you? Oh, voice chat proximity, put it like
Voice
20
chat
meters.
channel 1 supposed to be there.
And then enable it, and that dude's still fucking around.
Hit me.
Proximity's at 20, and then now you should be able to just drive up to somebody and you can hear him talk. Yeah.
Who wants?
Do you have to hit a button to talk or no?
No.
Hey,
This is a test run, boys. Gosh, I'm moving.
Who am I racing? Who's racing me? Who's in the big truck? Oh, that's you that's racing that Ford? Oh, you're about to get gapped. Who's in the middle of the road? What's this dude do? Alright, on your mark, you set, go.
Maybe shift first, I guess.
alright, I'm in here. The S10 got out of the way.
How did I die?
Yeah. I know. No, I don't know.
Dude!
Tell me when to go.
I don't know how to go see that. I've never seen it.
Zach, you cheat so much.
My Lambo's down there somewhere.
You didn't have your seatbelt on. So I won the drag race because you never made it down the finish line.
Yeah.
Alright.
Dude, I got the fastest car here if I can go down the track.
2, 1, go. Damn! What the fudge?
Bailey, did you even see where my Lambo
Is that motherfucker driving? He just... What the hell? I need a
How do
new
you put your
vehicle.
seatbelt on?
I thought this thing was fast. Yeah, in the wall.
Dude, where's my Lambo at? Is it down in the track?
Well, on the controller, it's the right joystick. Oh, there's a state
Yeah, I'm
trooper
trying
pulling
to
up
get
beside
my
me.
car.
What's up? Sure. Yeah. Alright. Good.
Probably.
Oh,
Are you
shit.
running?
What's he saying?
How'd you become an officer, bud? You gotta have permission.
Dude, how do you
Oh.
put your seatbelt on, dude?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Alright, I won't. So, do you have to fill out the form and then just wait, or what? Oh, they check them every day?
Yeah.
Alright, appreciate it. Okay, now that I'm away from him, you wanna know, he was like asking, that was a sheriff.
how do
He
you put a
came up there,
seatbelt
I was like
on?
just pulling around in the dirt, right? I got close to the road and he like pulled off and was like, he didn't turn his light on or anything, but he got out and was like telling me not to get on the road
He said B.
with the drag car.
Oh, thanks, bro.
I don't know, I know how to on controller.
Yeah.
I feel like this thing will
Dude,
fall.
I keep breaking my car. Dude, I want to get a clean pass.
Car's not working.
Because I think it'll be insane.
Can y'all hear me?
Yeah.
Dude.
Who wants to race me?
Oh, oh my god.
Dude, holy crap.
I'm trying to find
Dude,
a
y'all
freaking
see
car.
that? I just went plumb off the track. Dude, this car is too hard to drive.
Dude, these cops are so petty. Like, one's sitting down the road from the drag strip, just waiting for somebody to pull
Whatever,
up.
this thing is, it goes 330 miles an hour. Oh, somebody just blew up. What, dude? Oh my god.
You just gotta know how to drive.
I got the big black cock car now.
What'd you do?
Holy shit, what was that? What?
I beat you, but if I can't go straight.
Holy shit. Perfectly
Where you
normal.
in?
Holy fuck! I just felt my drag car.
What are you in?
No, trust me, you're not beating me. No, you will not, dude.
Dude, I can't go straight in the Lambo.
There's no way.
I'm stuck on the
Holy-
track and nobody come down the
Yeah.
track.
Dude, is this you right here?
I'm flipped on my
Are
side.
you in that?
There we
where
go.
Are
Okay,
you
I
in
got
the
it.
car beside me?
Dude.
Oh my god, this thing's a piece of
I
shit.
don't see it.
Can't even fucking go straight.
I don't. See,
It just keeps. Look, are y'all at the starting line? Watch me.
dude, I'm froze.
Okay, they ain't doing it now.
FiveM not responding.
Now in the Mustang, the BBC Mustang,
Y'all's loading.
Dude.
right here.
Holy shit, this thing's fast.
Yeah. Error. Server connection timed out after 15 seconds. Yeah, it's probably gonna kick you too.
I just got kicked or something.
Too many people at the drag race.
Trying to.
I'm about to get me some cake.